Everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. A girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, as you saw in the title, we created this look right here using the products from our January base and premium boxes. Now, usually we do these things separate. However, there was really not a lot of makeup going on in the January box, okay? So we just went ahead and combined the two and came up with this look. Now, as always, we talk about the products that we did not use, okay? And that you will not see in this video, okay? So the first one, of course, remember this. Didn't touch it, still in the box. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it as of yet. Okay, then we did not use our silver pure, silver infused microfiber makeup removing cloth. It has been washed so that whenever I do get ready to use it, it is ready. Because they emphasized, make sure you wash it before your first use. So that we definitely did. So when it comes down to time to use it, that is exactly what we will be prepared to do. Then I have several Dr. Brandt products still open. This one is the eye cream. I'm currently using one now, and I'm not ready to open up something that has a short shelf life and lose out on my product, because I don't get the full potency for opening it before I'm ready to use it. But wonderful things, what I've read about this product, plus asking others, so far I haven't really heard any complaints. Now this one does have a 12-month shelf life, but so did the other one that I'm currently using. So once we finish that, we'll move right along to the next one. Same thing with the eyelash and eyebrow conditioner. This one says, get the look you always wanted. See initial results in 3 weeks. Maybe I will, but didn't do it in this particular one. But I'll let you know when I do start, and we'll decide which one we want to use, because we have 4 of them, 4 different brands, of course. And then, we'll talk about that. I am still using my other lip balm that came in a previous box. So I did not get a chance to open the Valley Balm as of yet, but it's here when I'm ready. Then the Pharmacy Daily Greens. This is wonderful. We did kind of sample it out when we did the unboxing, okay? So these are the items that I did not use. Now, this one you did not see me use on camera, but trust me, it is getting good use. Do you see how much is already gone? And I just got this in January. Just saying. Everything else we used to create this look, and I am so excited to share with you how this look was created and the products that we used to do just that. So if you would like to see how this was done and the products that we used, continue to watch. Okay, and I'll post a couple pictures up here of me without my glasses on. Now, let's just talk about products right quick. Now, this look is comprised of the makeup that came in our January base and premium boxes of Boxycharm, okay? Now, most of my products were, of course, skincare, and also this product. Remember this, okay, that I most certainly did not use. This is that Summer Friday. I still don't know what I'm going to do with this as of yet. I'm just waiting to hear back. But that, of course, you know, we did not touch at all. But nonetheless, we talked about all those things before. Let's talk about what we did use. Now, out of our base box, this product right here. Oh my God, this is the Bi-Phase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. One of the subbies on my channel left a comment, said this was one of the best micellar waters she has ever used. And if it was offered in the pop-up, she was stocking up. I have to tell you, I agree. I'm telling you, I agree. This was amazing to use. You know, after, y'all know I'm extra, but after I finish cleansing my face, I still go in and I use the micellar water. And this product right here got it going on. I'm telling you, it is amazing. Okay, so that right there, absolutely fantastic. Okay, definitely use this. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, then I used the palettes out of both. Okay, we had the Ofra Good to Go palette. This truly was good to go. And also the Ciate London palette. Now, out of the Good to Go, we used this highlight here, which, as you saw in the video, it kind of came out a little over the top, and I really needed to kind of blend it in some, but nonetheless, it's not too bad. I think my lights might be too bright for you to really see, but I thought it was absolutely beautiful. I used 3 shades for shadow and 1 for blush, as you saw. The blush was Current, okay, which is this one right here. I used these 3 across the top, all except for the green, and those were Clean Slate, Ready, and Fresh, okay? I like this palette. Some of it is a little on the powdery side, but look, as long as I get a good color payoff, I'm fine with that. I have fluffy brushes so that I can brush off any fallout or, you know, anything like that. Now, with the Ciate London, I love the fact that it has a mirror, and of course, had to cover it for, you know, so we didn't kind of blind you there with the look. And we used a few shades from this one. We did this for the outer V, okay? We did this one on the inside, you know, to blend in the darker there. This is our second shimmer, which is right in the middle. This one is the inner corner, and took it all the way around to the under eye, okay? Love this Ciate palette too. I can see myself reaching for that one again and again as well. As a matter of fact, plus this is great for on the go, okay? Definitely great for on the go, because you don't have to pack a whole lot. You know, you could do some neutral, and you could actually do some kind of after 5 kind of looks, you know. So I definitely do like this palette. Of course, the Fenty Mascara. I use this one This is the first time I've used this one, and this is the full frontal. And can you see what the brush itself looks like? It's kind of almost like a paddle because it is flat. And then you have the side, so it gives you opportunity to really grip and pull the lashes all the way from the base on up. So I definitely like that. Then I loved the Instant Retouch Setting Powder. This Pro Filter powder right here, I have the shade Hazelnut. And this, of course, is a Fenty brand as well. I used it to brush away the under eye, the banana powder, of course, underneath my eye. Then I used it to set my foundation in place before I put my blush and highlight on. I absolutely loved the products that came in our January box. Now, like I said, it was a lot of skincare, a lot. I don't mind, but if it had not have been for this Ciate London palette, there would not have been any makeup in my base box at all. So, nonetheless, I definitely liked what we had. I do like the finished product. I'm working on it, y'all. I'm working on it. I love it. It does not look too over the top. I was concerned that the bold lip would be too much with the eye, but I think it's just enough. Okay? Well, let me know your thoughts down below. Well, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. Remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.